Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fully verify with student ID in GCash account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So while a student ID can be used for GCash verification, it's primarily for fully verifying accounts of minors aged 7 to 17. For individuals aged 18 and over, a valid and unexpired government-issued ID is required for full verification. So all you gotta do is simply open your GCash app and tap on the Get Started button. After this, you need to enter your authentication code, and you can also go in your help center and tap on Verify your account. After you have done this, you will find all the options of how you can verify your ID. Now simply enter your personal information and then select an ID type. Then scan and submit your ID and wait for approval. So by doing this, you will be able to fully verify with a student ID card if you are aged 7 to 17. Otherwise, you can simply submit your government ID to verify as an individual as well in GCash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.